Hi, and welcome to this video tutorial on how to adjust the resources connected to your survey as a survey builder in MapUs. This is one of 6 videos showing survey builders how to use the different functions in the Manage Survey module. If you want to unlock the full potential of this module, be sure to check out the other 5 videos. To adjust the resources, open the Admin menu, go down to the Manage Survey module, and click it. This will open up the Manage Survey menu. You then want to click on the Resources tab, which will lead you to the Resource Management page. Before you begin working with resources, some context might be helpful. When a user gets the results, they'll be presented with the Resources page, and it's the content of this page you're editing when you're working with resources. The idea behind using resources in MapUs is to bridge the gap between getting your survey results and beginning the journey to improve on them. In other words, it's a tool that you can use to show the users in your organization the possible next steps after having completed the survey. What you see when opening the Resource Management page is an entire resource catalog created by our team. It's up to you whether you want to have them transferred to your MapUs platform or if you'd rather have a clean slate to input your own. The opportunity to input and integrate your own organization's resources with MapUs is one of our most exciting features. To understand how it works, I'll use our own resources as a basic starting point. We've created 3 different types of resources: examples, benefits, and exercises. And each individual resource is connected to a competence. Examples give descriptions of what it means to be proficient in a specific competence. Benefits highlight why it's valuable to be competent in that area, and exercises give suggestions for how to work with and strengthen a competence. Generally speaking, our resources are meant to be broad and are built on dialogue, reflection, and creating deepened awareness about your own abilities. And sure, that's great, but to get the most out of your resources, they should be action-oriented and related to existing materials or systems in your organization. If you have written materials, offer internal upskilling courses, or have an LMS system, you can create a direct link between the MapUs competences and results and your internal structures. For example, your organization might have training modules that teach your employees good storage practices, GDPR law, and so on. You can create a new resource type for these resources by clicking the button and calling it Training, for example. The idea is that you then add the resources you have and connect them to the relevant competences. Click the New Resource button and select the type you created. In this example, I want the resource to be a link to a guide about automations, and thus the relevant competence to select would be automations. I then insert the link, and when a user clicks into their results on that competence, they'll be presented with a direct opportunity to grow and begin their digital journey. Simply put, using the MapUs resource module is how you ensure that this new awareness about digital competence also leads to action and improvement.